I'm Lucy Liqueur, and today we're going to be making something very easy, super fancy. No, not me. I am making homemade Viennese Whirls. If you're very familiar with that cookie, it's a very fancy biscuit. Back home, Mr. Kipling, better watch out. So let's get baking. Right, delicious bees. Now that you've got all your ingredients ready, you want to set your oven at 380 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit. Then in a large bowl, you want to get your room temperature butter, your confection sugar, which is 120 grams. I work in grams, and I can never get it all in. I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I call this the kitchen shuffle. Kitchen shuffle. You want to get your all-purpose flour in a big bowl and your cornstarch, and you want to sieve it together. Thank you, old friend. I'll take it from here. So I'm going to just mix the rest of it manually. I am using Russian tip 40. But you want the nozzle to be star-shaped, a little star. Underneath my parchment paper, I have put under this mat underneath. Now you can, if you don't have macarons mat, you can draw little circles underneath by using a little cookie cutter. It's all good. I just thought this was the easy way of going around it. I'm being lazy today. Over your dough on either corners so it doesn't flap about. And you want to start from outside in. So out, in, out, in, out or around, in. Now you want to pop these in the oven for 10 to 11 minutes until they're lightly brown. Brown delicious bees, now they're out of the oven and I've had a chance to let them cool down. You want to now flip them over, and on one side you want to put buttercream, and the other you put a little bit of jam. So you want to gently flip them over, like so. Okay, you can use any jam. You can, the preference is, the main one is raspberry, but I didn't have that, so I mixed it with strawberry. It doesn't matter. There are balls in the kitchen, but sometimes balls can be broken. You want to snip the end off, but in this case, a little cream goes a long way. That's one thing you can learn before. Once you've done all that, now you're going to sandwich them together. Preferably the cream on top because it's less runny. Let's see if I've broken it. It's very delicate. But that's okay. Oops, daisy. There we go. It does happen, I broke one. That's okay. Just want to gently. And to finish them off, you want to sprinkle some confection sugar on top. You can use a little or a lot, depends on how much sugar you want on top, it's all good. I would totally recommend popping those in the fridge for 10 to 30 minutes to harden. And that's it, there we have it. Homemade Viennese Whirls. Very easy, super fancy, like me. Until next time, stay deadly and delish. Bye bye!